It's the Lady Virginia that we're going to go on to do a sunset cruise. €80. I think it's 2.5 hours, and it's all you can eat and drink for €80. The boat is called Lady Virginia, and there's only a few of us on here. It's lovely. The captain is quite funny, tells you jokes. Seems like it's going to be a good trip. I shall keep you updated. This is actually in Ibiza town, or harbour. Beautiful. To a cheers, girls. Cheers.
Safuradada is Catalan language and means the hole. You find the hole over there in the wall. And it's a fantastic thing. The hole got two sides. So on the other side there's a bay as well called Safuradada. Two bays Safuradada here. This hut.
Yeah, where we stop now, you can go paddle boating or snorkeling, or you can just swim.
If you are scared of something, you can go with here.